just do this for you. Sit back and just watch us bubble. We come with more heat than the sun do. Gorillas out of the concrete jungle. We came to just do this for you. Sit back and just watch us bubble. Gorillas out of the concrete jungle. We come with more heat. Watch it back.
Yeah, of all secrets, I'm the best kept. Making sure my first step is my best step. I watch my investments while the rest slept.
A freelance stand-up comedian and performed in various colleges across Karnataka. Please welcome Vikas Yatnani on the stage.
Thank you very much guys, having a great time. Yeah, yes? Please make some noise. Yeah, thank you. Because I have come to make you people laugh. Nowadays people don't laugh, they only lol. Yes? And when I released my previous YouTube videos of my stand-up comedy, many people asked me, why don't you take it as a full-time profession? But I said no, because what if a maid coming into my home ask my mom, Auntie, Baba kya karta hai? And my mom is like, Baba joker hai. That is so weird, right? But as a stand-up comedian, one thing what I realized is, never do jokes on doctors. What if they return back that to us? Like a lady is standing in front of the ICU, doctor comes, hey Mrs. Gupta, listen, your husband, his hands are not moving, legs are not moving, I think he went to coma. Mrs. Gupta is like, oh my god, what happened to my husband? Doctor is like, no, hey Mrs. Gupta, just kidding, relax, he's actually dead. And by the way, I am a lecturer by profession, and my students, I hope everybody of you write internals, yes? Yeah, just before internals, my students come to me and do something very dramatic. Sir, important questions please. But that is so illogical. I have an explanation. What happens is, lecturer teaches you whole semester so that you are ready for exam, and to verify that you are ready for exam, they conduct internals, and just one day before internals, if they give you the question paper, it's something like umpire himself diving and taking the catch. That's it. And by the way, the biggest confusion among engineering students is whether to refer an Indian author book or a foreign author book. Is it? Yes, but you people are real patriots of India. You never touch foreign goods. Yes? But apart from all these things, the students from every department love one foreign author, and his name is Mark Zuckerberg, and his book is Facebook. Yes, guys? Yes? Yeah. Boys, especially boys, get very expressive on Facebook. They do something like, whenever they have a breakup, they start posting sad messages on Facebook. My friend, he used to post so many sad messages on Facebook. At one point of time, I started missing his ex-girlfriend. Girls, listen carefully. Whenever you send requests to boys on Facebook, don't think that they just accept that cleanly. There is a lot of thought process involved in that. What they do is, first of all, they go and check the relationship status of the girl. If it is single, accepted. Complicated, just ignore her. But if she is in a relationship, they will report it as abuse. Yes. And speaking of engineering students, one fine day you finish your engineering, go get a good job, and by the time you come to on first Diwali to your home, especially boys, your mom will have set up a trap for your marriage. All of a sudden she will come to you and say, "Oh beta, आजकल तो मैं खाना बनाते बनाते थक ही जाती हूँ." And somehow they convince you and take you to see the girl. And this will be also just a formality when you go and see the girl. Because if your parents like, they don't care about your opinion. And even though when you see the girl and come back, and if you tell her faults, they will scold you back. Like you go and you're like, oh, Dad, actually the girl height is very less. Beta, height को लेके क्या करना है? उधर bulb change करवाना है क्या लड़की से? See, look at me. Relationship में height नहीं, depth होना चाहिए. Look at me, I'm 6 feet tall, your mom is 4 feet tall. हमारे बीच में कम से कम एक राजपाल यादव का difference है. You are running a working life. And again you are like, Dad, actually the girl is very dark, she don't have a fair complexion. Have you seen your face in the mirror? Yeah, me. Have you seen your face in the mirror? Sometimes your color photo also comes out to be black and white. तुम कौन सा Tom Cruise हो मतलब? And somehow they get you engaged. And this is a very important point. When you get engaged, your stupid friends, especially engineering friends, have only one question in mind. Bhabhi दिखती कैसी है? How does Bhabhi look? But if your fiancé who you have got engaged to is not so good looking, you will try to forfeit the question. You will never answer the question. Yeah, your friend is like, हाँ सुना है तेरा engagement हुआ है साले? हाँ भाभी दिखती कैसे है भाभी? उसका नेचर बहुत अच्छा है यार. And she will ask like, नेचर के क्या अच्छा डालेगा? Tell how does भाभी look? खाना भी अच्छा बना लेती है यार. अरे यार डायरेक्टली पूछ रहा हूँ भाभी how does she look? Is she hot or no? उसका फ्रेंड्स काफी हॉट है यार. एक दो तो बॉम्ब है यार. अबे यार उसका फ्रेंड्स बॉम्ब है तो वो हम फोड़ेंगे ना यार. Yes, sir, this is what happens with engineering friends, and this guy will never answer. And that boy will ask, heard that Bobby is working, how much she earns? उसका नेचर बहुत अच्छा है. And in India, the speciality of average looking girls, their nature will be very good. Their nature will be so good that their display pictures and profile pictures also will be of nature. Rivers, mountains. And there will be one guy always ready to comment on whatever profile pictures girls put. Whoa, this is not a pic, this is epic. And one girl, she had put a profile picture of sun. And for that also one guy comes and comments, looking very hot. Okay, how many selfie fans? Yes, 80%. Yeah, remaining 20% don't have front camera, I guess. Okay, fine. How many engineering students? All are engineering students? Yes. Whenever girls take selfies, there is lot of engineering involved in that. Listen, I'll tell you how. First of all, they hold their cell phone like this. If this is a line of normal drawn from the camera, they make their face orthogonal to the camera. But their eyes remain geostationary to the camera. Now all of a sudden, to increase the productivity of the selfie, their upper lip grows exponentially and lower lip decays exponentially. Yes, even Modi had taken a great initiative called Swachh Bharat Andolan. Many people going there, I never see anybody cleaning the roads. Everybody taking selfies with broomsticks. And even after the cleaning campaign, 6 people are standing like this, one person in the middle with a broomstick, and they are posing for the photograph. Is it a broomstick or a ICC World Cup? The way selfie is going, I feel within few days it will be made mandatory for passport as well as Aadhaar card. Yes. This is and recently Modi even taken a good initiative called Make in India. You people know about it? Yes. Make in India, but we Indians took it very seriously. Make in India, and we made it 1.3 millions. Guys, Make in India has nothing to do with making the babies. Now the topic cricket, whenever I make comedy, watch cricket on my television, and my mom has got a very bad habit of cleaning the television only when I am watching it. I watch cricket on Star Sports. The other day I was watching cricket on Star Sports, the Star Sports logo came, a manly voice says, now you are watching Star Sports. Don't miss the match between India and Pakistan 5 p.m. That is why I am watching it. Yes, it's something like Star Sports coming to you on Star Sports and telling you on Star Sports that you are watching Star Sports while you are decided to watch Star Sports. This is really so weird. But recently I came to know, hope you guys know this, when Shahid Afridi, he hit his fastest century against India, he used Sachin's bat. How many of you know this? Yes. But look at those poor people. They couldn't even afford an extra bat while coming to India. Pakistani stupid people. Yes? It is Pakistanis are such a kind of people, even though if you send them to war field, battlefield, there also they will come to Indians in the border. Bhai, ek extra gun hai kya? No bullets dena. Shahid Afridi, they say he is the best all-rounder. Yes. He is the best all-rounder. He never bats, bowls or fields. And don't even know to speak English. Rather, whole Pakistan team doesn't know to speak English. Yeah, they should try something, learn English for God's sake, or at least try a magical book from India, learn English in 30 days. Or at least try some wine or alcohol, because boys know it very well. Tobacco causes cancer and alcohol causes English. Yes? Yeah, they can never win a match against India. Because look at the other players they have got. They had got a wicket keeper called Kamran Akmal. Guys, do you know Kamran Akmal? Yeah, wicket keeper of Pakistan. But he hardly used to hold on to the catches. He used to drop so many catches, like behind every successful man there is a woman, behind every successful batsman there used to be Kamran Akmal. He used to drop so many catches. One point of time, their captain Mishbah-ul-Haq got angry on Kamran Akmal and told, go shoot yourself. Kamran Akmal took it seriously, went into the dressing room with the gun and shot his head. Mishbah is feeling bad, but Kamran Akmal came out of the dressing room after a few seconds and told, Mishbah bhai, ye bhi miss ho gaya. Yes. Kamran Akmal at one point of time, he had to go by bus to Pakistan after the match because he couldn't even catch the flight also. That's his Kamran Akmal. And by the way, I love Indian bowling lineup. Yeah, how many fans of Indian bowling lineup? Yeah. We have got a very strong and young bowler called as Ashish Nehra. Yes? Ashish Nehra, at the age of 37, in comparison with the other youngsters, he is so old. Sometimes I feel he was a citizen of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro dynasty. He's so old. And we got another bowler called Munaf Patel. Munaf Patel fans, yes, two people, yes. Yeah, Munaf Patel, he was such a kind of bowler. He used to bowl so slow that even the batsman was confused. He is playing the present ball or the previous ball. Yes, Munaf Patel, but still he got two fast bowling variations, the slower one and the slowest one. When Munaf Patel is bowling at you, in one ball you have time to play at least two shots. Go down the field, miss the shot, nothing to worry about, take one step back and hit it for a boundary. That is what Munaf Patel is. The another funnier thing about cricket are the commentators. Yes, commentators. Yeah, Ravi Shastri, he makes so double meaning commentaries. Once Bradley bowled a high speed ball of 158 km per hour and it hit on the abdomen guard of Saurav Ganguly. He fell off. After a few minutes he recovered and stood to bat. Now Ravi Shastri says, Bradley to bowl to Ganguly. Ganguly has one ball left. Yeah, even in the times of Mohammad Azharuddin, we had a commentator called Tony Gregg. He used to ask, whenever he used to do interview to Azharuddin, he used to do it with lot of hype. But Azharuddin would never care what the person is asking question. He used to just answer whatever he want. Like he used to ask Mohammad Azharuddin, tomorrow is an important match between India and Australia. Lot of grass on the pitch, the ball may seam and bounce on the batsman. What are your ploys and strategies for the match? Now Azharuddin is like, nothing, we'll bat well, bowl well and field well. That's it. Yes, how many Sachin Tendulkar fans? Sachin Tendulkar fans? Yes. This side even fans are retired? No, right. Yeah, Sachin is such a kind of person. He's very down to earth person. He never says, I am great. No, right? Yes? For that he has kept Ravi Shastri and Gavaskar. Yeah, Gavaskar, he praises Sachin Tendulkar so much that he says Sachin is a little master, Sachin is that, Sachin is this, Sachin is God. अगर सचिन गॉड है तो बाकी सब क्या राक्षस है क्या? Yes? Yeah, he praises so much Sachin Tendulkar. Sometimes I feel Gavaskar साहब दिल से सचिन को ही बेटा मानते हैं. Rohan Gavaskar was just an inside edge. That's it. Yeah. How many fans of cheerleaders here? Cheerleaders. Boys. Yes. Recently, it was trending that cheerleaders, there are a lot of critics on cheerleaders. Cheerleaders wear short clothes, revealing clothes, but at least they are better than our leaders, right? Yes? Because they maintain transparency in what they do. Yes? Yeah. And how many fans of Salman Bhai? Salman Bhai? as the brand ambassador for Rio Olympics. You guys know that? But there are a lot of critics on Twitter saying that he shouldn't be. But I say he is the best brand ambassador and he can give the best advice to the athletes. What if an athlete comes to Salman Bhai? Salman Bhai, I want to win the 100-meter running race, what would I do? Sunna, what you are supposed to do is, imagine that a BMW car is coming very fast towards you. And also imagine that I am driving the car. आप medal के पीछे, devil आपके पीछे, it will be fun. Yeah. And in India we got two kind of Rahuls. Do you know? One Rahul plays for India and his name is? Yeah. Other Rahul plays with the economy of India. Yes? One Rahul is a wall of India and the other Rahul is a troll of India. One Rahul thinks India is his mother and the other Rahul thinks India belongs to his mother. But talking lot of things about India and Pakistan, one thing I feel, one fine day, India and Pakistan will become one country. And we will name this new country as Hindustan. Yes? Yeah, fine. Okay, thank you guys. My name is Vikas Atnadi. You people are a great audience. Thank you very much.
शर्मा, देश कुछ मैं